Welcome.
Artificial intelligence in everyday life. Today, computers have the capability to perform tasks similar to those done by humans. Let's take a look at some existing forms of artificial intelligence that are available to humanity and how AI can assist people. Let's start with voice assistants. A voice assistant is a software application or device that uses speech recognition and natural language processing (NLP) technologies to interact with users, understand their commands, and execute various tasks. Here's how a voice assistant utilizes these technologies to perform tasks, like sending messages, managing home devices, and providing information. Speech recognition. The voice assistant begins working when the user activates it with a voice signal, such as the phrase, "Hello, Assistant," or a specific command word that triggers activation, e.g., Alexa for Amazon's Alexa, or Hey Siri for Apple. The built-in microphone records the audio signal, which is then converted into a digital format. Specialized speech recognition algorithms analyze this digital signal and transform it into text. This is known as speech recognition. Natural language processing. The resulting text, comprising words and phrases, undergoes natural language processing (NLP) analysis. The NLP module analyzes the text, determining its structure, extracting keywords and phrases, and understanding the command's meaning. It also takes into account context and the user's previous queries for more accurate comprehension. Execution of commands. After processing the command, the voice assistant determines the task to be performed. Depending on the specific command, the voice assistant can execute various tasks, such as sending messages. It can send text messages, emails, or messages through messaging apps, using the information provided by the user. Home device control. The voice assistant can control lighting, heating, air conditioning, smart door locks, and other home devices if they are connected to a smart system. Providing information, it can answer user queries, provide current news, weather updates, account status information, schedules, and more. With voice assistants, we can efficiently perform various tasks using voice commands, saving us time and effort. Next, let's explore what a self-driving car can do. Self-driving cars utilize sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to recognize road signs, other vehicles, and pedestrians. Here's how it works. Sensors and cameras. LiDARs. These sensors emit laser beams around the car, measuring the time it takes for the reflected signal to return. This allows for the creation of an accurate 3D representation of the surrounding environment. Radars. Radars use radio waves to determine the distance and speed of nearby objects. They can detect other cars and determine their movement. Cameras. Cameras capture images of the road, road signs, vehicles, and pedestrians, analyzing them using computer vision algorithms. Machine learning algorithms, image processing. Cameras gather images of the road, road signs, cars, and pedestrians. Computer vision algorithms are used to analyze and classify objects in the images. Object detection. Object detection algorithms can identify and locate other cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and road signs on the road. Sign and traffic light recognition. Systems can recognize road signs, traffic lights, and other traffic signals to respond accordingly. Decision-making. Self-driving systems process data from all sensors and cameras to analyze the road situation. This includes determining driving speed, the distance to other vehicles, and deciding whether to follow speed limits. Automatic braking and acceleration systems can react to hazardous situations and automatically adjust speed to prevent collisions. Automatic parking. Self-driving cars can also use sensors and cameras to perform complex maneuvers like parking. The system can automatically control steering and the engine to optimally position the vehicle in a parking spot. In conclusion, it's worth noting that artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly important and integrated into our daily lives. Voice assistants, home automation systems, and self-driving cars are just a few examples of how AI can enhance our lives, making them more convenient, efficient, and environmentally sustainable. Artificial intelligence will continue to evolve, bringing new possibilities and improvements to our lives. However, the key factor in this process remains the human element. the ability to use technology to make the world a better place for ourselves and the environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll have many more interesting and educational videos. Please share your thoughts on the video's topic in the comments. We always appreciate feedback from our viewers.